In Module 1 we covered how to sign up and purchase codes, and within 24 hours your codes will be assigned. So in this module, Module 2, we're going to cover how to use the back office of TextMyMLS. Now once your codes have been assigned, you'll receive an email like this one right here. It tells you codes have been assigned and you can log in and begin using the system. So once you get that email, you're going to come into the home page at textmymls.com and you're going to click on the login button, which is the last option here on the menu. So we'll click login, and if you remember, we signed up with your name, no spaces, and the password, and in this particular scenario we use TextMyMLS as our password, and we log in. And as you can see here, as before we didn't have any listing codes, and now we do. This account has been assigned 4 listing codes. I'm going to run through the top tabs here, and then we'll get busy on putting in a piece of property in the next module once we go through the back office here. So your profile, you click on that. Here you can see your user ID, which is your username, and then your password. You can change that if you want, whatever. If you don't like the one that you signed up with, you can change that there. You can edit your name here, your telephone number. Again, please don't use any 800 numbers. The system doesn't work on those. You can put your carrier in there, your company. You can edit all of that information and make sure you use the save user information once you do that. If you have an agent video of yourself, maybe a brief description of you and your experience that you have uploaded to YouTube, or you want to do one, you can upload it to YouTube, and you would have a URL that YouTube assigned to you. You can put that in there, copy it, and save it. Or if you have an embedded code, which is an HTML code, you can put that there and save it as well. If you have a photo of yourself that you want to use on all the text messages that go out to people, they would place that here. It's very simple. You would just go browse your computer and look for a photo and upload it just like you would on your MLS. If you don't want to use your photo, you can use your company logo. Same thing, browse, upload. And then if you want to, let's say you have an assistant or you have a buyer's team, or you're working with a mortgage broker who's going to follow up on these leads, or just you want to have somebody else notified of all the leads that come in case you're busy for various reasons. You can add multiple email addresses here. If you're one of those people that doesn't get email on their cell phone and you want to get notified via text message of any leads that come in, each cell phone carrier has an email address that goes into your text feature on your phone, and usually it's your telephone number and then whatever the @ is, like for AT&T it would be your telephone number at text.att.net, and you would place that in there. So let's say your telephone number's 555-55-5555 at text.att.net. You would add that, and anytime a lead came in, you would get notified via text message of that lead, or the buyer's telephone number and the code that the listing code that they're inquiring about. That way you can catch them at the peak of their interest when they're in front of the property or reading one of your print ads about the property. Again, the listings page are your listing codes here. Once you fill those out, the property name, the address will be here as well. Your call activity would be in here. Your call report, this will show actually all the telephone numbers that have come in and the listing code that they correlate with, the date they came in. And you can actually export those out into a CSV file. It does it automatically for you, which is in Excel. You can sort them by last 30 days, month to date, and if you've contacted them, or you can view them all. We have a contact resource manager in here, so you can actually add, wants more info, left voicemail, not interested, so you can track how you've contacted those potential buyers that have actually texted for information on any of your listings. Again, if you need to buy more codes, you can come in here and you can buy more codes through here if you'd like. That's basically it for the back office right there. And the next module, module 3, will cover how to upload your listings and use the system, and we'll see what an actual WAP page looks like. So thanks for joining us, and have a wonderful day.